Hi everyone, my name is Christy and it is time for my November 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag Unbagging. That's funny, I just noticed this sticker that says keep package away from direct sunlight. I don't think that usually comes on my Ipsy Glam Bag package, but I just got this in the mail, which is almost like a week, I would think, after I got my Glam Bag Ultimate and my Glam Bag Plus. Usually they come within like a day or 2 or 3 of each other, but this one I feel like I was waiting for so long. But I'm so excited, it's finally here. So Ipsy is a customizable monthly beauty subscription, and what I have here is their least expensive tier, and this is currently $12 a month. Back in September, when they increased the price from $10 to $12, they did offer those current Ipsy subscribers the option to subscribe for a year, and then you just paid for 12 months up front, and then you got to lock in your $10 a month. So that's what I did, but if you were to sign up now, it would be $12. I always have my Ipsy referral link in the description down below, but anyone that has an Ipsy subscription gets a referral link, and from that referral link, if people sign up through it, you get points, which you can redeem for some free product. So if you want to see my unboxings of the Glam Bag Plus and the Glam Bag Ultimate, I will have those linked down below. So this is what the Glam Bag looks like. All three, the regular, the Plus, and the Ultimate, were this same material this month, which is cute. This month, all of my products are inside the bag, and I am so excited to see what I got. I love my Ipsy Glam Bag subscription. I've been getting this since January, and actually, guess what? I just signed up today for BoxyCharm. So I've been loving these beauty subscription services, and everyone always comments that BoxyCharm is so great, that I would love it, and I finally gave in today and I signed up for BoxyCharm. So I'm really looking forward to that as well. I'll be doing my unboxings on those. But so Ipsy now lets you choose one product for each of your glam bags each month. And if you're not already aware, I review every single day a new makeup product on my YouTube channel. So I'll be trying out all of the makeup products that I get as dedicated review videos in these upcoming days. And then after I've reviewed all of my products, I'll be doing a full face using all of my Ipsy products for the month. So if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, definitely make sure you subscribe so that you get to see all of those upcoming videos. Okay, and so now I'm gonna pull out the first product here. Oh, this is a Pixie product. It's so cute and little. I think this is the one I chose, actually. It's the Mesmerizing Mineral Duo Natural Nude. I did not realize it was this small. Oh, this is an Ipsy exclusive eyeshadow duo. I'm gonna go ahead and do some quick little swatches. So I have not tried out that many Pixie products, even though I want to. I've tried out the Glow Mist, which I really like. So I'm excited to be trying out some of the eyeshadows. These look so pretty and shimmery. You get a lighter, ooh, this is like a pretty beige champagne shade, and then a darker, ooh, also metallic, kind of like a chocolate brown. Ooh, both of those swatched so beautifully. Very velvety formulas. Oh, I'm so excited. I wanted just like an easy to throw on little eyeshadow duo, because these are the types of shades that I wear every day, like a neutral shade all over my eyelid and then a darker brown shade in the crease. So this may end up being perfect for that, for an everyday eyeshadow look. Okay, next up I have, ooh, the GG Gorgeous collab with Ipsy. This is the Living Lip Balm in shade Natalia. I'm so excited about this because I thought this was a lipstick at first, but no, it's actually a lip balm, and I need lip balm these days with how dry my lips are in this cold weather. And I love the Ipsy collabs that are limited edition because they're very special. You can't get them anywhere else. So here is the lip balm. Ooh, nice like coconut scent to it. Oh, I'm excited to try this one out. I did try out the Gigi Gorgeous Bronzer Duo and I was not blown away by it. I do have the Blush Duo to try out and now this lip balm. So hopefully those other two products will impress me more than the Bronzer Duo did. Okay, next up, ooh, what's this one? Oh my gosh, this is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. And this is so funny, I feel like I get this sample, this exact like packaging sample in all of my Ulta little sample bags. So I have a bunch of these, but I love the brand IT Cosmetics, and like I was just saying, it's so cold here, my skin is getting so dry, so this will really come in handy, and it's a great little travel size. And next, ooh, Eva NYC. I think I just got another Eva NYC hair product in my ultimate glam bag. This is the Freshen-Up Dry Shampoo. So, okay, I haven't tried this brand out yet, but I was saying that when I got the other little, I think it was like a leave-in conditioner or something, I was like, well, I don't want any more hair products. But that's not true. I do want dry shampoo hair products. This is probably my favorite hair product out of all hair products, is a dry shampoo. So I'm actually really excited to try this one out. And it's cute little packaging, which this is great for travel. I always want to bring a travel size dry shampoo when I travel, but I didn't have any. So last time I traveled, I actually had to like pick one up at Walgreens, but now I'll be able to bring this with me. So this is perfect. And then my last product is, ooh, Vasanti Power Oils Lip Gloss. Let's do a little swatch of this one too. Ooh, it has a flexible kind of spatula rounded tip applicator. Oh, beautiful shade, beautiful pigment. Oh, I'm really excited to try this one out. I think I tried out Vasanti brushes before, but none of their like makeup products. So I'm excited to be able to try out another product from a brand that I haven't tried any makeup from yet. Wow, this was a great glam bag. I'm really happy with every product that I got. So I'll do a quick recap. I got the IT Cosmetics Cream. I got the Gigi Gorgeous and Ipsy Collab Lip Balm. I got the Eva NYC Dry Shampoo, the Pixie by Petra Mesmerizing Mineral Duo, and the Vasanti Power Oils Lip Gloss. All products that I'm definitely going to start using right away and working into my routine. I can't wait to try out those makeup products in some dedicated upcoming videos. So if you got your Ipsy Glam bag for the month of November, I would love to hear in the comments down below what products came in your bag. And as always, I love to get feedback on any of the products. If you've tried them out before, let me know in the comments down below your thoughts. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.